Ever fresh, ever clean. When you see me a step, you should know I'm a queen. Queen of the jungle. Queen of the jungle. Queen.
Hey guys, it's your girl HairbyRhema and I'm back again with another video. As you can see in the title today, I'll be showing you all how I achieve large Coileray braids. And so without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. And also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at HairbyRhema. As you can see in the title and on the thumbnail, today is a watch me do it video, so I won't be talking a lot. I'll just be talking through certain steps. So I just want to mention that today we used braids that we had there and never used. So we actually used 3 different colors because it had a little bit of black braids, a little bit of colored braids that I bought from my mom, and also a pack of brown braids that my sister had bought. So we had 3 different colors in her hair. So yes, but if you had to use the Super XTZ, I would suggest like 2 to 3 packs according to the thickness of the person's hair and also the size you're doing the braids, right? So I know we're in this lockdown and in quarantine, so all the hair stores and beauty supply stores are closed, but that's okay. I have some online hair stores and beauty supply stores for you all to check out to get your braids if you all need. So I'm going to just link all the names right here. You can check them out on Instagram, follow them and place your orders. So yes, that's all I have to say right now. I'm just gonna speed up the video so that you all can watch me do it and it won't be a very long video, right? So right now I'm just showing you all the actual process of how I parted the hair, the size of the boxes that I did, and how I achieved my knotless braids. I'll come back when I'm doing the next step, which is showing you all how I curl my ends and the finishing touches and all of that. Also, as I mentioned, today I will be doing large Coileray braids. I also do the jumbo ones, but how I differentiate from large and jumbo is that I part from ear to ear when I'm doing the jumbo, and I only do 2 sections. I start with 2 sections at the back, but as you can see here, I'm starting with 3 sections. So that's how I differentiate my large braids from my jumbo braids. I know some people will be like, what's the difference between large and jumbo? It's not like the same thing, but no, it's not. So I'm just showing you all that today. Now she didn't want her Coileray braids too short, so I stopped braiding down at mid-back and put a roll on and left the rest of the braiding hair unbraided, and that's just simply so that I can curl the ends, and that's from where I will do the curl. So I'm gonna stop talking now and y'all can just watch the process, okay? Also, if y'all have listened to me talking for this long and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go subscribe, turn on those post notifications, okay? I try to post as frequently as I can, but yeah, so I hope you all enjoy this video as well, and I hope you all understand what I'm doing. This video is not a beginner friendly video though, so it's just simply showing you all the process of how to achieve Coileray braids. I don't know why I had on this bright orange jersey but I hope it's not like hurting your eyes, because my body is kind of blocking, you know, what I'm doing here, and it's kind of like real in the camera, so I hope it not hurting all the eyes. Okay, so I'm really gonna stop talking now so you all can watch the process, okay? Okay, so after I'm done braiding, finally braiding, as you can see, as I said, I put the rubber bands and I left out. I stopped braiding down from where I'm going to curl. What I do is I take some mousse, like a little bit of mousse in my hand, and I pass it down on the part that I'm going to put the curling rod, and I just roll the rods in onto the hair and yeah, curl them up onto the rubber band, and that's how I put it in. It's really not hard to do, but once you take your time, of course, if it's your first time doing with the rods, just take your time and yeah, you will get it. It's not something hard to do. So after I finish doing all the rods in the hair, I'm just gonna put the mousse throughout her hair, oil her scalp, do her edges, spray her hair with the finishing spray, and yeah, then I'm gonna just dip the rods so that the ends will curl, so that the braid will curl. I have to dip it in really hot water. As you can see, the color of the water is changing pink because I used my curling rods in my brother's girlfriend here, and her hair just dyed red, so it kind of stained the rods and now it's changing the color of the water. But anyway, that did not affect what I was doing. But I used a comb to press the rods into the hot water because I didn't want to burn my hands. So yeah, y'all can do that too. Then you just squeeze the rods so that some of the dampness will come out, and you take it down and look at those lovely luscious curls. Like, they look so beautiful. Okay, so after I take down all the curls, I like to go in with my scissors and just chip all the curls to the same length, so that when she stands up you won't see like a long and short curl, and you know, it wouldn't look crazy. So yeah, and that was all that I did, and this is how it turned out, guys. Although we used 3 different colors, I honestly think it looks really nice. It looks really gorgeous and I love it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.